Well, well, well. What do we have here? So much trash. But wait, do my eyes deceive me? Who's that?
Oh, wait, that poor little girl.
Wow. Those shoes. Those shades.
Oh, what a little cutie. Say hello to your new mommy.
You mean I'm a daughter?
Yep.
No way! What on earth? Cheetah print? This is nice. Check out this room. Wow. What's all this? Easy on the bangs. Wow! A tiara? It's perfect! And now, skincare? Wow! Hey, what's that stuff? Looks pretty thick. Ooh, that feels nice. Oh boy, let's see. Ooh, it's pretty clear. And so smooth. Hey, slow down. Is this all for me? I can get used to this. Loving it. Yay! Check out this bling. And now? Ooh! Is that eyeshadow? Wow! And the nails? Almost done. It's boring city over here. I need some entertainment. Don't get it on my skin, okay? Today's my birthday?
Huh?
Do you believe it?
Okay.
Wow! Where are you? No way! Is this all for me? Well, I am the birthday girl. Nope. I just want the good stuff. Could have been better.
Really?
Whatever. This party's alright, I guess. Anyway. Is that for me? Hold this. Nice.
Well, Miss Birthday Girl, choose a shoe.
I don't know. I do like these. The perfect pink. Bye, Sneaks. And hello, Cutie Crocs.
Oh, good heavens! This is unacceptable! Uh-huh, yes!
It's like walking on clouds.
What on earth are those things? These are much better.
Are you okay? Uh-huh. They're fine, I guess. I have a much better idea. Ta-da!
Wow.
Get ready for some sparkle. I call these Princess Crocs.
Now those I can get on board with. Wow! They're spectacular!
Yep, they're awesome. Why are you clapping? Nobody's watching, right? This girl's gotta eat. Juicy.
Yeah, I know. What is going on in here? And what is this?
My snack.
So you like apples? Then you'll love this. No, like literally. I'm loving it. How sweet is this? A heart on a stick. Sweetest thing ever. But I'm not quite done. Let's make things even sweeter. Yep, now we're talking. Who could resist this thing? And now we wait. Chilled and sparkling, baby. Wow, so beautiful.
Oh, yeah. Taste test time. That's the stuff. Bingo. Great story. But I'm getting sleepy. Nighty-night.
Sleep tight. See you in the morning. That's what she thinks. Sweet dreams, huh? We'll just see about that. Ah!
Oh no! What was that? Where's my stuffy? Oh no! Somebody help me!
What is it?
A monster! It's down there! He's gonna eat us!
Oh dear. Wait. I have an idea. See?
I don't get it.
Just watch and learn, princess. In we go. Step 1 is done. Now for a bit of color. How about some midnight blue? So pretty, isn't it? Just wait till it's done. Just a couple more steps. These could use a little shaping. And so cute! Care for some sticky little guy? There you go. What a cutie. Nothing to be scared of now. Let there be light. How do you like that, Mr. Monster?
Wait, today's the day? I have no time. I wish I could wear this. It's perfect. Tomorrow's gonna be great. What? It's time already? Let's get down to business. Curling commencing. Ugh, what's wrong with this thing? Heatless curls may be my only option. These are nice, but how do I use them? I need help here! How does this work?
Uh-huh.
And this?
I'm not really sure.
Hey!
Right?
Hello? Money? What do I do with this? I know! Ready? Let's roll! Curls are on the way! Wanna see how? It's so easy, see? Almost time! Look at this face!
What are you doing?
Surprise!
Different.
Hold on! One more thing! There! See?
Very nice.
Yep, I know!
It's so simple.
Alrighty, that's enough studying. Let's play!
Excuse me. Stop messing around.
Hey, that's mine! So rude. Wait, my secret stash.
I don't think so. Kids.
Busted. Now what?
How about a snack?
Don't mind if I do. Ooh,
Fresh veggies, anyone?
you've gotta be kidding me. Ew.
You're welcome, sweetie.
Gross! Cheetos for the win!
Oh no! These are terrible for you! Listen, I'm watching you.
Whatever. You didn't see this. So delicious. Pairs perfectly with games.
I hear fun!
No, it's not what you think. See? It's math.
Okay, very good. Learning's fun, right?
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Wow, you really like that. Wait!
Yummers! Oops, I couldn't help myself. This place stinks.
Fruit? Anyone?
Wow, that looks fresh. It's purple. I want one.
Of course, yes.
For you, miss. A true delicacy.
Looks pretty good to me. Bon appetit.
Ooh, like an animal.
Can you even breathe?
That was incredible. I'm stuffed.
Notice anything?
Oh no, my shirt.
It's okay. I'll show you.
New t-shirts?
So much for that. What's this?
Help me!
What about this fruit? Problem solved. This fruit's about to save the day. Boom! And now we paint. Isn't this blue to die for? Perfect. Here's where it gets interesting. Ta-da! New shirt, who this?